millions of tons of landfill waste seep into soil. Landfills are growing, so are the risks they pose to our water, our soil, and our future. In a world that needs resilience, our waste shouldn't become another threat. What if we could turn the agricultural waste into something that protects the environment? We introduced the eco-soil linear system, an innovative solution that transforms the pressed mud, a byproduct waste from the sugar industry, into a high-performance of landfill linear, reduce the permeability, cut the pollution, and support the SDG. The objective is clear, which is to develop a sustainable landfill linear with an environmentally friendly and biodegradable alternative using pressed mud. The goal is to create a low permeability, mechanically stable, environmentally friendly linear that can reduce the leachate pollution while support the circular economy practices. This innovation directly contributes to SDG 6, 11, and 12. To develop the eco-soil linear, we selected the materials that are naturally available and have a low environmental impact: marine clay, pressed mud, and distilled water. To prepare the linear, we begin with the sample preparation. Marine clay and pressed mud are oven dried. Once dried, the material is sieved to remove the oversized particles. The clay is then blended with the pressed mud at the various proportions. Next, the prepared samples are subjected to laboratory testing. Physical properties measured include the particle size distribution, atomic limit, specific gravity, and linear shrinkage. Engineering properties are also assessed, including the compaction, unconfined compressive strength, and also permeability by modified odometer. Finally, in the analysis stage, all the test results are compared to determine the most effective pressed mud ratio for the linear preparation. Now let me see the impact of eco-soil linear system. Adding the pressed mud to marine clay lowers the liquid limit, plastic limit, and plasticity index, which reduce the expansiveness and also shrinks swell risk. Particle density also drops due to its lighter composition. Shrinkage limit improves, giving a better dimensional stability. OMC rises slightly, while MDD decreases as lighter pressed mud replaces the heavier clay particles. Next, we see how pressed mud affects the strength of marine clay. UCS increases with pressed mud, peak at 20% for both 0-day and 7-day curing. Beyond the 20% strength declines with the lowest values at 40%, so this confirms that 20% as the optimum for strength, while curing consistently adds 25 to 50% more strength over time. Finally, let's consider the effect on permeability. Permeability decreases steadily as pressed mud content increases, reach its lowest at 20% well within linear requirements. Pressed mud fills the soil pores and blocks the water flow path. Beyond 20%, permeability rises slightly as excess organic matter disrupts the soil structure. So, from our results, 20% pressed mud stands out as the optimum content. It gives the lowest permeability, highest strength, and reduces plasticity, lowering the shrink swell risk. This is our eco-soil linear prototype under a water flow test. Notice the extremely slow migration of water through the linear. This matches our lab results, which showing the ultra low permeability at the optimum 20% pressed mud content. It is visual proof that the system can effectively minimize the seepage in real conditions. In developing the eco-soil linear system, we faced three main challenges. First, organic content fluctuation. Second, workability limitation. Third, difficulties in the large-scale mixing and moisture control. Moving forward, to enhance the eco-solving system by stabilize the press mud, run the field trials, test the long-term durability and explore the composite layering for added strength and shielding. Eco-salinity system isn't just a material, it's a step toward a cleaner, safer future. By slowing the leachate migration, protect the groundwater and turn the waste into a value, it represents an innovation with a purpose. Let's rebuild the landfills that care for the environment. Thank you.